Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today we will learn about Easter.
Easter is a spring festival. Many people celebrate it in March or April.
On Easter, people give and find Easter eggs. Eggs can be chocolate or plastic.
Children play a game called an Easter egg hunt. They look for eggs in the garden or park.
This is the Easter bunny. The bunny brings eggs for children.
People eat special food. Some eat hot cross buns and chocolate eggs.
People spend time with family and friends. They eat, relax, and have fun. Now it's your turn. Do you eat chocolate at Easter? Write your answer in the comments below.